Hi everyone, welcome to the all summer long collaboration. This is hosted by left-handed crafter who is Brandy. Hi Brandy. And there's several of us in this collaboration, so once you've watched what I made, please do go check out Brandy and all the other collab participants and see what creativeness they've come up with this month. I wasn't too creative this month. Our theme was crabs and our optional color was brown. I did it. Let me show you what I did. I made two cards. Well, first of all, let me show you what I used. I had this paper called Sunshiny Days by Pebbles, and see right here, there were two sheets of this crab paper. This is single-sided paper. So I did cut into both sheets. I have a lot of scraps left in this from doing that book thing I did. Also, I had these coordinating puffy stickers, and there were two little crabs in here, as well as two sandcastles, and I used those. And then I used Poppy Parade cardstock by Stampin' Up, which I'll show you. It's a orangey red, and crumb cake cardstock. I used this retired Seaside Notion set only for this sand, but there is also sand in the new I forget, there's a new set that has it in sand also. I used Sunny Sentiments. I used a happy hello to you, as well as thought you could use some sunny thoughts today. I was feeling a little bit crabby because I couldn't come up with what I wanted to do for sentiments. This was the best I could come up with, and it works. And then I used this one die right here from Hippo and Friends dies from Stampin' Up, but that are available still. This is a brand new stamp set in the new annual catalog. It's a sentiments only, but they're nice size. Yeah, so let me just set that aside and show you my two cards. They're pretty much the same. Here we go. We have crumb cake card base, crumb cake mat, excuse me. So I just went all over the mat with the tone on tone, crumb cake on crumb cake, to make it look like sand. And then I wrapped this ribbon around to make it have a little bit of sparkle. You know how the sand glistens in the sun? That's what I was going for with that. This is from the January to June mini in the Fine Art Floral Suite, but it is also in the new annual on page 139, and it's just called Fine Art Ribbon Gold, and I like it. That has that little bit of sparkle, and it's kind of soft. So I did that on both. Then I did a 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 Poppy Parade with a 3 by 4 piece of the designer paper. And then, oh, I forgot to show you, then there's this washi. This is also Pebbles, which coordinates with the papers. I really don't like this washi that much. It tears easily, a little too easily, and it doesn't stick that great. But I glued it down on the back. This was the first card I did, and I went across, and I thought, oh, I got that going across and that going across. So this time I put it up and down, and I did glue it onto the back. Here's a happy hello to you stamped in crumb cake. And then here are the two stickers, the sandcastle, and here the crab is on this side, and here the little puffy stickers facing that way. And then on both, on the inside, I just put a strip of crabs, because like I said, I was feeling kind of crabby, you know. Unfortunately, I didn't have any snarky sentiments to say that. So I just thought you could use some sunny thoughts today. There's no sunshine on here, but yeah, instead of feeling crabby, you can feel sunny and bright and happy now, right? So a happy hello to you. So that was my thought process for what it's worth, and those are my two cards for the all summer long collaboration. Thank you, Brandy, for hosting this. It's been fun. Kind of getting low on ideas, but I knew I had this paper, and I knew I wanted to use it for this month, so that's all I could come up with. Yeah, Alright guys, please go check out Brandy and all the other participants and show them some crafty love. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, but this time I used a combination of Stampin' Up! Products and stuff from my stash that I'm also trying to use. So I apologize that certain things are not available or may not be available. I don't know. I'm not sponsored by anyone except Stampin' Up! Because I'm a demonstrator. Alright guys, have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.